Welcome back. Let's look at some stocks on the move. BSE is buzzing on the back of what looks like a very solid first quarter. The stock was up about 7% last I checked. Vamakshi is here. I made that 8.5%. Wow. Vamakshi has details. Vamakshi, so what's worked so well for BSE this time?
Well, it's a strong set of numbers working well for BSE this time around. Revenue is seeing an uptick of almost 24% sequentially, and a large part of this growth is being driven by the transaction charges, which saw an uptick of almost 45% on a sequential basis. Treasury income was up nearly 7.6%, and other security services was also up nearly 16.4%. So good growth coming in on the revenue on a sequential basis. But it is the EBITDA margin that has actually shot up very sharply from 19.7% to 46.73%, and this is largely being driven by a sharp fall of almost 53% in SEBI's regulatory fees, as well as a 5% decline in admin and other expenses. Now keep in mind that the company was asked to pay regulatory fee to SEBI based on annual turnover calculated on the notional value of options as compared to the premium value, and which is why they had to make a provision of almost 170 crores in FY24, particularly in the fourth quarter, and as a result the margins in the fourth quarter look a bit subdued, but on a sequential basis, it's definitely a huge jump optically. EBITDA also was up almost 2 times sequentially from 96 crores to 284 crores, and net profit too was up nearly 1.5 times to 265 crores. So overall, operationally, it was a very strong quarter for BSE.
Okay, thank you very much for that. It's just that the uncertainty of some sort of F&O regulation does hang on BSE, but look at the way the stock has moved. 190% in the last year, and the 5-year CAGR return for the stock is more than 70%. Well, with that, it's a wrap on Trading Hour from the entire team. Thank you for watching.